What's going on? Welcome back to the channel and thanks so much for tuning in. If you don't know me by now, my name's Frank. I'm a certified personal trainer and fitness nutrition expert with my 3 main goals of helping you move, feel, and look better through mobility, training, and nutrition. And in today's workout, we've got a dumbbell upper body circuit. So when you're short on time and you need to get it in, dumbbells are a great way to go. What I do recommend is you have a little bit of various weights, because for certain body parts, you might be able to lift a little bit heavier, and others, when you're getting into the delts, for example, you might have to go a little bit lighter than you would for your chest or for your back, for example. So if you do have the option of getting the Bowflex Select Tech dumbbells, those things are killer. Now, at the shooting of this video with this whole crazy pandemic, those things are almost out of stock. You can't find them. So if you actually happen to be able to go to an Academy of Sports or a Dick's Sporting Goods or wherever, you could pick up some dumbbells. But what we're gonna do today is we have 6 exercises, okay? Each exercise is gonna be 45 seconds long, and we have a 15-second rest break. It's gonna be a 12-minute workout. After we finish the 6th exercise, we're gonna just do that 15-second rest break like we normally do, and then we're just gonna go ahead and repeat all the exercises again. And with that being said, go ahead and get your water bottle. Stay hydrated as always, and we're gonna smash today's dumbbell workout.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul. Can you dig any deeper now?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out, 'cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now.
2, 1.
Cashed in on my promises. You know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out. 'Cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now. A little stronger now. A little stronger now. A little stronger. You cashed in on my promises. You
5,
know I'm too
4,
generous.
3,
Now
2,
I've learned to
1.
never help you out. 'Cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now. A little stronger now.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all. Standing tall, fear I
5,
weighed the person
4,
you are.
3, 2, 1.
Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Fearless.
1.
I'm headed to the bottom of the bottle. I've been drowning, I've been floating away. Every other dollar that I got in bed, I probably went and pissed it away. I ain't fucking okay, I ain't liking it, babe. I don't even wanna talk, I'm just smoking my haze. I've been stuck in my ways, I've been stuck here for days. I've been staring at the clock as the radio plays. I'm enslaved. Yeah. Rolling another, I'm stuck in my seat for the whole control of my speech. Yeah, I've been trying to get off this couch for a minute and a whole damn week. No kidding, I'm skinny, I cannot eat. Got a million motherfuckers that depend on me. Yeah, every friend in my family. From a girl, every fan I meet myself. I'm too on till I'm too off. Come down to make new thoughts, like jumping off of that rooftop. Whole life never when I knew not to make moves based on my mood drops. Like who's lost? Like who's lost? It's yo, steadily killing me, running my brain full of shame. I don't wanna lose it. Full of stage, trying to find my pain. I see the sun coming out of that rain. My day really not tame. I'ma never slow down. I'ma never behave. Stuck inside this prison, inside this cage. It's taking over. Yeah, I'm a slave for you.
Four, three, two, one.
For you, for you, yeah, I'm a slave for you. Ripping harder, more less. Never stop, no rest. Till the stress is breath in my chest. Till it's diamonds wrapping my neck. Progress to a god from a goddamn mess. Hopeless, more tests, more blessed. Dug deep down, trying to find my best. Find a beast, had to kill a conquest. I'm next. I'm too on till I'm too off. Come down, make new thoughts, like jumping off of that rooftop. Whole life never when I knew not to make moves based on my mood drops.
3, 2, 1.
Whew, I really hope you enjoyed today's upper body workout. It was a hell of a circuit. As you can see in the beginning, I did go heavier on the bent over row because I'm a little bit stronger on that move, but obviously that second time through, I just went a little bit lighter. So, and also with that Arnold press, most people when they're doing it, they go straight up and vertical, which isn't wrong. Sometimes I'll use a heavier weight and I'll go up higher and I'll come down and try and squeeze my chest. But if you want to place a lot less pressure on your joints, you can go ahead and get that Y out. And again, you're trying to make baby weights or lighter weights feel heavy. It's less stress on your joints. I just turned 36 and I'm not getting any younger, and so I want to preserve my joints as best as possible, so that's why I'm focusing so much more on mobility nowadays. And then with some of the other exercises like that delt raise, it's just a little bit of a smaller muscle, and so it doesn't take a lot of weight to do it, and if you're doing it just right, you can really feel it. So again, if you're new here, thanks so much for watching. Please go ahead and subscribe. Click that notification bell so you never miss any of my latest content. Also, turn on the notifications, because when I upload a new video, I don't want you to miss it, and I want you to keep up with these weekly workouts so I can help you get in the best shape of your life. And also, before you leave, go ahead and give this video a like. It'll really help my channel out and help push my content out to more people that can benefit from it. And again, if there's something else that you would like to see, please just go ahead and comment down below. Anytime someone comments on one of these videos, I will comment and respond back to you. I'm not the most popular person just yet, so I do have a little bit more time that I can respond to these comments, and I'll try and get back to you within 24 hours. So again, thanks so much for tuning in, and I can't wait to see you in the next workout.
I keep on working, got purpose and worth. Music's my cure and this world is my purse. Get rid of this curse with every verse. Of course I've been hurt, but some have it much worse. Leave me alone, get out of my head. Block out the opinions until I am dead. They all go to speak, but you listen instead. Listen some more and you'll cease to regret. I keep on working, I got it on track. You gonna see my name up on the flag. I sail this ship and I'll never come back. I keep this bitch on the line to attack. Never look back, I make a record like Crash. Top of my bracket, I smash. I'm like a pack, I'm about to stack it like cash. It's gonna happen so fast.
It never changed my